Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very famous South Indian dish that is called sambar. So let's first make sambar masala. So take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed and cook till it change its color. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, cook it for a couple of seconds, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of Bengal gram, 1 teaspoon of pigeon pea and 2 teaspoon of urad dal. Mix it well. Now add 4 to 5 of red chili, whole red chili. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Now transfer it to a grinder and grind it. So for sambar, drumstick, tomato, pumpkin, boiled pigeon pea, turmeric pulp, curry leaf, mustard seed, add boiled pigeon pea, add drumstick, approximately 50 to 100 grams, add 1 sliced onion, add half a liter water, let it boil. Once it is boiling, add brinjal, add pumpkin, cover it and leave it for 15-20 minutes. Now uncover it. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric pulp, add 2 teaspoons of sambar masala, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. Now take another pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, mustard seed, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 to 3 red chili, 5 to 7 leaves of curry leaf. Mix it and add the sambar and cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. Your famous South Indian sambar is ready. Thank you.